Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And unfortunately today, pretty much a pump and dump. That's really what occurred here. And I don't say pump and dump in the sense of this company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I just mean it from strictly a price action point of view. And as a quick recap, price exploded upwards last week. Sure, it pulled back a little bit. That's okay. Nothing wrong with the pullback. But now you look at where the price is not only did the price go back to where it started. So where did the big movement start? Well, it started right there. And then you look at where the price actually is at now, and it's even lower than where it was. So that's why I say, pump and dump. But overall, the big explosion that happened last week, there just simply was not any sort of genuine strength behind that at all. So I'll go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. But the first big update that needs to be put into play is in regards to, and this is just a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 17 cents was one of those areas where, today you definitely wanted to see the price hold above it. But earlier on in the day when the price failed, you can see that's just pretty much what opened up the floodgates and down the price went. Now, sure, the price did, show a little bit of a bounce right here, but from more of a macro perspective and just looking at all this from more of a multi-day perspective, it's very clear that the price has essentially gone, like I started off the video, back to where it all began. But like I said, if there is any sort of attempted continued bounce in the upside direction, then right here at 17 cents is definitely going to be the first big test for the price. In the event the price pulls back, key level of support now right there at 15 cents. And 15 cents, nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact of that's just simply where the bleeding finally stopped today, where you can see the bounce point occurred right at that area. But overall, brutal looking chart, pump and dump, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.